Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Vinted. Alright, just a quick heads up here. You can only unblock them individually. Alright, there is no list. So you'll have to make sure that you remember the particular seller's username. Alright, for example, right here, as you can see, I just recently blocked Jules3192. So in order to unblock the seller, I'm just going to go ahead and click on unblock right here. Once done, hit on unblock. Now when we go to our profile right here in the settings, you won't be able to see any list of blocked sellers or buyers. Alright, even when you check it out in the app itself, there's nothing. And I hope that Vinted will eventually give this option to us. Alright, so we can just easily manage our block list. Well, that's for now, and I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.